Looking for precise professional grade sound that blends seamlessly into any environment? Meet the Dakota audio range from Directional Audio, our most versatile directional speaker solution yet. Dakota Audio offers two unique formats: directional bar speakers, sleek and architectural, and overhead arrays, engineered for subtlety in open spaces. Both deliver focused audio using phased array technology, providing exceptional frequency response with minimal sound bleed to surrounding areas. Bar speakers are ideal for tight horizontal zones. Think info panels, digital signage, or interactive displays. Their slim profile allows discreet placement without standing out. At Mercedes-Benz World, for example, MA4 18-inch bar speakers were installed at interactive kiosks, delivering crystal clear, targeted audio to individual users without disrupting the surrounding environment. Overhead arrays, on the other hand, are perfect for wider spaces like retail, museums, or public terminals, offering directional sound from above without visually interrupting the space. Each bar speaker is lightweight, ultra-slim, and available in a range of lengths and finishes. The overhead arrays come in 24-inch and 36-inch square formats. From a technical perspective, coverage angles as narrow as 10 to 15 degrees, crisp frequency response tailored for speech, and mounting options for walls, ceilings, and custom enclosures. Here's what the MA4 18-inch sounds like. Whether you're managing acoustics in a museum, delivering messaging in a transit hub, or shaping experiences in a retail setting, Dakota Audio gives you precision sound exactly where you need it. So get in touch for a free consultation or to book a demo.